Hey, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Ari Brooks, and if you stumbled across this channel, whether the algorithm dropped you here, a friend sent you the link, or you just went down a rabbit hole looking at bird art at midnight, I want you to know you're exactly where you're supposed to be. This channel is called Fully Saturated, and yes, that is absolutely a color pencil joke. And it's going to be the place where I share everything I've learned, everything I'm still figuring out, and everything I generally love about making art with colored pencils. So whether you've never picked up a pencil in your life or you've been drawing for years and looking for something new, pull up a chair. Let's get into it. So, who am I and why should you spend any time watching this channel? That's a fair question. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been making art with colored pencils for about 25 years. 25 years is a long time. I say that number and it kind of surprises me when it comes out of my mouth, but it's true. And in that time, I've learned an enormous amount, not just about technique, but about patience, about observation, about what it actually means to really look at something. I specialize in wildlife, especially birds, though I'll get to that in a second. And I work out of the Asheville, North Carolina area. For those of you who have never been, Western North Carolina is something else. I grew up in these mountains, surrounded by the deep forest, and it was never unusual to look out your window and see a deer picking through the yard, or catch a glimpse of a black bear moving through the tree line, or watch a family of raccoons do whatever raccoons do at 2 a.m., usually causing chaos mostly. Growing up in that environment where wildlife wasn't something you went to see, it was just part of your daily life. That shaped the way that I see the world. Animals have always fascinated me. Their diversity, their beauty, the way each species has this whole language of movement, color, behavior that most people never slow down enough to notice. And I think that's what a lot of my art is about: slowing down, paying attention, capturing something that may go unseen, and putting it somewhere people can stop and really look. Now, let's talk about the birds, because if you're going to be on this channel for any length of time, you're going to figure out pretty quickly that I am, without apology, deeply obsessed with birds. I don't know exactly when it happened. It wasn't one single moment. It kind of crept up on me, but at some point, birds became my absolute favorite subject to draw. And once you really start drawing birds, you understand why. The feather structure alone is incredible. You've got all these individual feathers, and each one has its own texture, its own iridescence, its own way of catching the light differently depending on the angle. Getting that right with colored pencils, building that texture layer by layer, color by color, is honestly one of the most satisfying things I've ever experienced in this craft. And the color. People think of birds, they think of robins and cardinals, but if you spend any time studying birds, your brain starts to break a little at how much variety exists out there. The way a hummingbird's throat can be dull 1 second and then absolutely on fire the next as the light hits it. The subtle, complex earth tones on a hawk or an owl, and the surreal brightness of tropical species. It's endless, and it's a color pencil artist's dream. So yes, lots of birds on this channel. You've been warned, and I mean that in the best possible way. Now, wildlife is my first love, but there's another side to my work that I want to talk about because it does matter to me a great deal. I also draw pet portraits, and I want to be honest with you about why, because it's not just a service I offer, it generally is something that touches me in a way I didn't expect when I started doing it. A lot of pet portrait commissions I receive are very personal because they're memorial pieces. Someone has lost a dog they've had maybe for 14 or 15 years. A lot of the pet portrait commissions I receive are memorial pieces. Maybe someone has lost a dog they've had 14 or 15 years, a beloved cat that slept at the foot of their bed every night for a decade. And they want to have something that captures who that animal was. Not just what they looked like, but their personality, the way their eyes looked, the way they held themselves. And what I've found is that being able to create that for someone, being the person who hands them back a small piece of something they thought was gone, that's one of the most meaningful things I've ever done with my art. I've had clients cry when they receive a piece, and I've had them tell me it's helped them grieve. It's not something I take lightly. So on this channel, you'll see pet portrait work too. Not just the finished pieces, but the process. How I approach capturing animal likenesses, how I work from reference photos, how I think about what makes a portrait feel alive rather than just accurate. Because I think there's something in that conversation between the wildlife work, the portrait work, and that's actually really important for a growing artist, and I can't wait to explore that with you. So let's talk about what you're actually going to find here, because I want to set expectations in the best possible way. This channel is going to be a mix of a few things. First, process videos. I'll be doing real-time and sped-up recordings of pieces from start to finish. You'll see me work through the whole thing, layering in the initial sketch, building the color layers, navigating the moments where something isn't quite working, and figuring out how to fix it. Because that's real. That's what actually making art looks like, and I think that's way more useful than only showing you the highlight reels. Second, tutorial and technique breakdowns. I'll be diving deep into specific skills, how to build texture in feathers, how to approach fur, how to handle backgrounds, how to use layering, burnishing to get that rich, fully saturated color that colored pencil is capable of at its best. This is all going to be beginner-friendly content, and maybe some more advanced techniques later. Both because I know we're all coming from different places, and I want there to be something here for everyone. Third, conversations about the life of an artist, the practical stuff. Working with references, setting up your workspace, choosing materials, but also the less talked about stuff, creative blocks, finding your subject, the emotional side of making things and putting them out into the world, because that's real and no one talks about it enough. I want this channel to feel like a studio visit with a friend who just happens to have 25 years of experience and a lot of opinions about birds. Now, if you want to see my work beyond what I share here, I'd love for you to come find me. My website is ariesan.com. That's ARIESIAN.com. And that's where you can see my full portfolio, browse prints and originals that are available, and reach out about commissions if you have something in mind. I'm also lucky to be part of a wonderful local gallery, the Arrowhead Gallery in Old Fort, North Carolina. If you're ever in the Asheville area, please come visit. The gallery is a beautiful space, and seeing artwork in person, being able to see the texture of the pencil marks, the layering, the way the color shifts, it's a completely different experience than looking at it on the screen. I spend a lot of my time there, and I would genuinely love to meet you if you could make it out. And of course, you can follow along here and on my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky. I'll be sharing updates, work in progress, and all of that in between all of my longer videos. I want to close this out by saying something that I mean genuinely. I've been making art for 25 years, and in a lot of that time, it was just me, my pencils, and the animals I were trying to capture on the page. Building this channel, opening up, sharing the process, and inviting people in, that to me feels like a new chapter, and it's one I'm really excited about. If you're someone who loves wildlife, who gets it, who has stood on a trail because a hawk landed nearby and you didn't want to break that moment, I think we're going to get along just fine. If you're an artist who's been wanting to get really serious about colored pencils or just wanting to improve, wanting to watch someone work through the same problems you're having, I'm glad you're here. And if you have a pet, a dog, a cat, a bird, a snake, whoever, who you love unreasonably and completely, and you've ever thought about having a portrait made, I hope you'll reach out. That work matters to me deeply, and I'd be honored to be a part of that for you. So please subscribe if you want to come along for this. Hit the notification bell so you can actually see when I post new videos, and leave me a comment below and tell me, what do you want to see from me first? What are you curious about? What would be most useful for you? I read every single comment, and I mean that. This is going to be a conversation, not a broadcast. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Ari Brooks. This is Fully Saturated, and I'll see you in the next video.